Hello guys, and welcome to this new episode on Cash App. Okay, so if you're wondering whether the borrow feature is still available, you've landed on the right video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you whether the Cash App borrow feature has ended or it is just a myth. Okay, so without any further ado, let's aim this tutorial. So by default, if you are eligible for the borrow feature on Cash App, you should be able to find it on this banking tab right here. So you just come to the banking tab and scroll until you see the borrow on Cash App. Okay, so now if you don't see this borrow feature on Cash App, it doesn't forcefully mean that you aren't eligible forever, okay, or that the borrow feature has ended. All right, so if you don't see it here, it's just simply because you aren't yet eligible at the moment you're scrolling through the app. Okay, and you need to go through a couple of requirements, or you need to make sure that you actually meet a few requirements before even checking if this feature is available for you. Okay, so to answer our question, has Cash App borrow ended? Actually, the borrow feature hasn't ended yet, and it is still rolling out despite the first 1,000 rollouts that it mentions officially. Okay, so Cash App is still rolling out, and if you go through platforms like Reddit, you will find out that many people are still getting this feature, or they are still getting eligible for this feature. Okay, and also you might think that the borrow feature isn't available for you if you are located in a state that doesn't allow Cash App or digital payment services like Cash App to offer borrow services to customers. Okay, so you need to make sure that you are located in a state that actually supports borrow from digital payment services like Cash App. I've mentioned the link to these states in the video description, or I've just enumerated them in the video description. And also, you need to make sure that you meet the requirements that Cash App has imposed indirectly, or because they haven't actually announced an official note on this. Okay, you need to make sure that you meet the requirements to have this borrow feature featured on your account. Okay, and after meeting these requirements, you'll be able to find it on this banking tab. Okay, so that's just how you get to be eligible for this borrow feature. Okay, don't forget, I've mentioned a link to the requirements that you need for this borrow feature and how you can actually unlock it for your account. So if you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap that notification bell icon to not miss any upcoming update from us. Okay, so I catch you in the next episode.